Hi, good morning, children. Welcome to Value Education class. So, today onwards, you are having Value Education period. I hope you will all cooperate with me, right? Yes. Today, we are going to learn the first lesson watching yourself. What we are going to learn in this lesson? So, value education means some values in your life. It adds some values in your life, right? So, what are the values covered? Shall we see? Yeah. First one is self discipline, and second one, self control, and third one, respect for elders and obedience. So, what do you mean by self discipline? So, what is a discipline? Is it a rule? Maybe, right? Yes. So, discipline means you should be proper, you should obey yourself, you should respect yourself, right? Yes. We'll learn more about that. Self control. So, it's one of the emotion. So, self control is a kind of discipline and also a habit. The more you practice it, the better you will become at it, right? Yes. So, respect for elders. So, I think you are all good children, right? You will give respect to the elders. You will respect your mom, you will respect your dad, right? You will respect your teachers. Yes or no? Yes. Then obedience. So, obedience, you should obey your elders, right? Okay, through a small story, let us learn what values we are going to have it. The brightest and the best. Long ago in China, a great teacher had four bright students, Li, Chou, Ming, and Chang. So these are the names of the four bright students. Each of the four thought that he was the brightest and the best student. The teacher decided to test them. He told them that they would have to remain silent for 2 days. And at nights and must not speak at all. The one who passed this test would be the brightest and the best. The four students thought it was a very easy test, though a bit strange. On the first day, they went about their work silently. The whole day went by. Then it was night. They lit a candle and sat silently by its light. Lee was thinking about the future, and Cho was about the past. Ming was reading a book, and Chang was busy writing a letter. Suddenly, the candle went out. Oh no, the candle is out, shouted Lee. You have lost. You talked, laughed Ming. Ha ha, so did you, Ming, said Cho. Hey, I am the winner, shouted Chang. I was the last to break the silence. All of them looked at their teacher. None of you has passed the test, he said, shaking his head sadly. You don't have self control or discipline. You cannot control yourself even for 2 days. To do well in your life, you must not only study hard, you also have to be disciplined. A well saying that discipline first, studies next. What do you learn from this story? Yes, self discipline, obedience, and respect for elders. The Guru said to be silent for 2 days, but the four students are not able to keep silent even for a day, that is at night, right? So, we should have a self control on what we think, what we do. Thank you, children. So, in the next class, we'll learn more about what is self control and self discipline. Thank you.